Okay. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay.
Presentation topic: Novel approach on smart material application for advanced diagnostic of building skin maintenance. Objective: to evaluate the reinforcing efficiency of carbon nanotube and the cement paste mix. To evaluate the electricity generation potential of novel type of sensors by applying external load to concrete. Nano dotted sensor. As smart materials are artificial man-made intelligent material leading the world in every sector. Effective utilization of nanomaterial are still motivated for application in the field of construction industry. The sensing, conducting, and self-control properties are dominating when nanocomposites are adapted in cement concrete. The durability of the nano-based concrete composite materials are consistent. Nano concrete smart material. As we are familiar that cement is a little conducting component by nature, and cement and carbon nanotube in a combination acts as a composite material with multi-facility application. Electromagnetic protection dominates with the support of mechanical and chemical properties. Conductivity property is developed with the support of carbon nanotube electrons, thereby electric percolation threshold is maintained for successful conductive system. Methodology: theoretical assessment on finalizing the mix ratio, number 1. Number 2, casting and curing for experimental work. Number 3, testing of sample for desert application. Now, about carbon nanotube structure, where it is self-sensing composite. It is classified as polymeric and cementitious, where short carbon fiber, continuous carbon nanofibers are the subclassifications, where carbon nanotubes are in the form of single sheet rolled 3 or 5 layered structure, where this carbon nanotube in the manufacturing of reinforced cement structure produces moderately privileged compressive strength. And amount of carbon nanotube and cement based composite weight percentage, where various literature work were presented in this slide, where uh, the strength, compressive strength and flexural strength for varying carbon nanotube cement percentages represented here, and the highest compressive strength 19% is observed with 0.5 percentage CNT and cement weight percentage, where the mix ratio is mortar, and similarly flexural strength 25% higher percentage compared with control is observed. And with this literature, our work have been focused, where the carbon nanotube and cement percentage were categorized as control 0.2, 3.0 percentage, 4.5 percentage, 6.0 percentage, and the amount of carbon nanotube used were the respective grams, where for 6 percentage 120 grams were used, and 90 gram for 4.5, 60 gram for 3.0 percentage, and 4 gram for 0.2 percentage. And for rest of the component, cement, water, recycled lightweight clay aggregates were displayed. Now, carbon nanotube and cement hydration. The graphical representation how the cement particles is converted as nanotube hybrid and composite materials are displayed here. And in figure 4, it is represented the hydration process, how cement grain and nanocarbon form a composite material, where water and cement ratio plays predominant role in preparing this cement hydration. Now, fundamental on electric theory, where current, voltage, resistance, power, where these parameters determines the uh, structural monitoring, where voltage is current into resistance, where resistance is voltage by current. Now, prototype sensor trialing. In this case, the voltage output is monitored, where the graph shows effect of voltage output peak to peak ranging from different composition, where in control the voltage is nil, where for 0.2 percentage, 3.0, 4.5 and 6, it shows higher voltage power flow for the largest amount of carbon nanotube and cement composition, where this experimentation is carried out with external load for 12 MPa. Now, the next one, compressive strength, graphical representation on effect of compressive strength, where in this image, for control 0.2, 3.0, 4.5, 6, where the compressive strength is evaluated for 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days, where the higher compressive strength is observed in 14 days, where it is graphically highlighted. Now, split tensile strength. The observation of split tensile strength shows predominant role, where y-axis represent carbon nanotube and cement weight percentage, where in x-axis the split tensile strength values, and it ranges between 2 to 4 MPa, where overall at 14 days it shows predominant performance, and considering 4.5 percentage of carbon nanotube and cement percentage, this tensile strength is reasonable. Now, flexural strength, where x-axis the control and the respective carbon nanotube cement weight percentage is highlighted, where y-axis flexural strength in MPa is mentioned, where in this case the optimized parameter 4.5, the third component is fixed as optimized ratio for further execution. And now, embedded sensor, where the resistivity is evaluated considering the sensing property. Initially in control the resistance is higher, where with subsequent weight percentage the resistivity shows little lesser in value, but the electrical conductivity due to carbon fiber, the carbon nanotube, is predominant, but it is evaluated. This acts as embedded sensor when there is need, when electrical resistivity is applied. And normally this parameter supports assessment of damage on building structure. Finally, challenges in implementation, as applied external load varies with different frequencies on skin of structural component, and stress and strain stimulates the sensing property with respect to resistance in a short time frame, and carbon nanotube and cement composites used as a diagnosing material in accessing the flow of current that determines the health of building. And commercial equipments are available to measure direct readings that are practiced in urban civil engineering applications. Thank you.